Hi again. This is my latest project. It's a DSP FFT demonstration. It shows the capability the STM32 processor has, the calculation capability. This is just an example provided by ST, which right now calculates a sine wave, which goes higher and higher, and afterwards it calculates two sine waves added to each other. So we can wait. In the bottom of the screen you see the FFT magnitude, and it goes from 0 to 4 kilohertz. That's the that's the frequency the FFT is able to calculate. So when it reach each other, it's 4 kilohertz. And then we start on the other, which is two frequencies added to each other, and that's why you see 4 pins at the bottom, the magnitude scale. But then I've also made a code which is able to real-time analyze a input signal. If we go here, you would see that it gets samples from the ADC port. It's difficult to see, but if we go here, get samples, it take the ADC input and read it and put it in a buffer. So now I'll program this into the STM32 chip. Then we're ready. And then right now on the screen you won't see anything, as I haven't plugged this into anything yet. But now I'll connect this to my iPhone, where I have a oscillator, and then we'll try to show the frequency, the sine wave, on the screen. Now it's connected, and here you will see the oscillator program application. And now I've set it to 50 Hertz. And if I click play, we can go to the screen and see a beautiful sine wave. But unfortunately it moves, as I haven't made a snap, a stop function. It just resamples every time. But if we go to the iPhone again, I can move this up, and in the meanwhile, while I move this up, you'll see that the sine waves get smaller, and in the top of the screen you'll see the FFT calculation, which calculates the frequency right now to 216 Hertz, and over here my iPhone says 215.83, so that's pretty precise. Also, if we go down here at the volume, we can change that, and you'll see it on the screen too. Now we change it down, and we turn the volume up. If we turn it too high, you will see that the sine waves gets truncated at the top, or at the bottom, as you see there. So we turn a little bit down to about -1 decibel. And then we have a nice sine wave. And what does it say? Frequency, turn it up, 80, and on my iPhone, 82. No, 80, I mean, yeah. So that's pretty nice.